This is how a building survey with and without a TMD when lateral loads are applied. Normally, in building structures, dead load and live load acts on the frames of the building, like these frames on the building, and they act from top to the bottom and then finally go to the ground. But and when I run analysis in SAP 2000 like this, they show deflections in the beams like here. But columns are normally straight and they don't have a lot of deflections. But in real life, loads are not the gravity loads like shown on the frame of this building. These loads could be seismic or earthquake loads or wind loads. And when these act, they give a lot of deformations. Like I'm running in this analysis. So these horizontal loads are very critical because they create a lot of deflection, like in this column we can see. So engineers always try to find different methods to minimize these deflections so building can be safe. If this deflection reduces to this much, it could be very safe as compared to the previous deflection. So I'm going to discuss one of these methods to minimize the deflection. When these lateral loads are applied on the skyscrapers, they become very important and very critical because tall buildings acts like a inverted pendulum. And when the one member like column or beam fail, a lot of the part of the building can fail. Seismic design requires more steel in case of concrete structures. I'm going to make a model of the skyscraper in the Blender to analyze the wind forces on this skyscraper and want to see the result. Now I applied the wind load on this skyscraper and I can see a lot of deformation on this skyscraper at the top of this model. Now, if I increase the wind strength in this Blender model, we can see that this building can easily collapse because this building alone can't provide enough stiffness that building can't sway so much and prevent this type of deflection. Now, when I make RTMD at the top of this building, the deflection due to wind is reduced significantly and it is very helpful in the design of tall building.